Did you know that you can use ramen to make something sweet instead of savory? Come go with me and I'll show you how. For this first recipe, you want to take you an 8x8 or a 9x9 dish. You want to line it with some parchment paper, and the directions say to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. I'm not sure why. I guess I'll find out. Anyway, we're going to set this to the side. Next, get you a mixing bowl. Get you 1 pack of ramen. It doesn't matter what flavor. You want to crush these up. Take this, toss it to the side. Take your pack of ramen noodles, pour them in your bowl. Now you're going to take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Pour that in on top of your ramen. Now you're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Now you're just going to stir all this together until you get it all nice and mixed up and well combined. This is what it should look like. Now you want to take this and put it into your dish. Spread it evenly in your pan. Set this to the side. Now take 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Put them in a microwave safe bowl and melt them down in the microwave. Once your chocolate is completely melted down, mine took about 45 to 50 seconds. You want to just pour that all over the top. Then you want to spread it out evenly. Now they should look something like this. You're going to take it, put it in the refrigerator, and let it chill for 2 hours. Okay, it's been a couple of hours since these were put in the refrigerator. I hope they're ready to be cut. We'll find out. We'll just cut off 1 little piece so we can see what they look like. And you have just made chocolate peanut butter ramen bars. These look delicious. For this next recipe, you want to take you a skillet of some sort. You need 1 pack of ramen noodles. Doesn't matter the flavor. Take the packet out. You need these coarsely crushed. You're going to add these to your skillet. Now you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to put it in your skillet. You need to melt that down. You're also going to add in about 3/4 cup of coarsely chopped pecans. And it calls for 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. I don't have any almonds. I have some cashews, so that's going in there. Now you want to saute your ramen noodles and your nuts in this butter over a medium heat until it's toasted. Once you've got this toasted, take it off the heat. Get you a mixing bowl. Pour it into the bowl. Set it off to the side and let it start cooling. Now you want to take you a whole bag of white chocolate chips and you want to get that melted down. Once your white chocolate chips are melted down, you want to pour it over this mixture in your bowl. And you want to get that all mixed up together. Just stir that around and get all the ramen noodles and the nuts good and coated with that white chocolate. Okay, once you've got this all mixed up and coated very good, you're just going to drop it by spoonfuls onto either some foil or some parchment paper. Just drop it on there and you're going to let it sit until it hardens. I'll get the rest of these spooned out. And there you go. You have just made ramen noodle candy. Once it sets up and hardens, chow down. Okay, you're going to take a half a bag of whatever flavor chocolate chips that you want to use. I'm going to use the milk chocolate and peanut butter flavor. Put half a bag in your bowl, put it in the microwave and melt it down. Once your chocolate's melted down, you know the drill. Open your ramen, toss this to the side, make sure this is crushed, and pour it in. Now if you have any big pieces still in there, just crush them up. Use whatever mix-ins you like, but I'm going to be adding in some peanuts. And some mini marshmallows. Just get it all mixed up, everything coated well. You put however many you like is what you're going to put in. You just don't want to put in too many because you need to be able to get it coated. We're going to add a few more peanuts. And a few more marshmallows. Once you have that nice and coated, you want to take it and you want to spoon it out onto some foil or some wax paper. We'll get the rest of these spooned out. Okay, you have just made ramen haystacks. You're going to let them sit up till they harden. You can pop these in the fridge if you want to help that process be a little bit quicker. I'm not going to. I'm going to let them sit here until they harden. And there you have it. 3 easy, delicious treats made with ramen noodles. Don't be scared to try something new.